Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Loveless Café Lemon Icebox Pie. It just takes us a few ingredients, and we're going to start with 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, then I'm going to pour the other one. I've got my stove, my oven, preheated to 350. I've got 6 egg yolks that I've separated. I'll use the whites for something else. And we're going to whip that up. I've got 2 graham cracker crust. I just bought them. Make it easy, but you could make your own. Okay, I've got 3/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've got 1 1/4 tablespoon of freshly grated lemon zest. Nothing like fresh lemon juice and grated lemon zest. We're going to pour it into these 2 pie pans. Okay, we'll have to put a little bit more in this one. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of zest on top. We're going to let them cook for 20 minutes, but halfway through at 10, we're going to turn them around, let them cook the other way, and when we bring them out, we're going to let them cool for 15 minutes, and then we're going to cover them up with a plastic wrap, or I'm going to use the little tops that go over it. That's what I'm using. But either way, we're going to put them in the refrigerator and let them sit for 8 hours, and then we're going to put a topping on them tomorrow. It's going to be, we're going to make a homemade Cool Whip topping. And it's going to be good. So let's get these things in the oven. I just turned the pies I just, picked them up and turned them around, nothing big, and set the timer for 10 more minutes. Then I'm going to bring them out, let them cool 15, and then put them in the refrigerator after I wrap them. Years ago, we went to Nashville, coming back down because Loveless Café is like southwest of Nashville. It's about an hour. They have biscuits and just homemade food. I probably bought a cookbook, I don't know. I usually get a magnet for my refrigerator, but this pie is one of their desserts. I can't remember if we had it or not, so it looked good, so I thought I'd try to bake it. I've taken the lemon pies out of the fridge and we're fixing to make the topping. I've got a cup of heavy whipping cream that's cold and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Whipping cream is whipped, sticks up, so we're ready to top the pie. This is our pie. Don't it look great? Let's see again here. This is the pie. We're just going to take a little bit of this. We're going to take a little bit of that leftover zest. And there we go. Loveless Café Lemon Icebox Pie. Don't that look wonderful? And it's kind of heavy too. So if you like lemon pie, try this recipe. It is just delicious. It will be a wonderful dessert for any time. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.